In this video, I will show you on how to set YouTube video to private without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, you want to make sure you exit from your YouTube app right here. And then for everyone that are using Android phone, go ahead and go to Play Store. If you are using iPhone, go to App Store. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Play Store right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on search. Then you want to make sure you go to search app and game and type in YouTube Studio. Then hit on search, just like so. So at the time of making this video, 100 million plus are using this Studio app right here. What you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you download and install YouTube Studio on your Android phone or iPhone. After a successful download, go ahead and hit on open. So if you are logging in for the first time, you will be asked to log in with your YouTube username and password. After a successful login, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on content right here. Then from content right here, you can decide to make a video private from unlisted or public or whatever the status of the video. For that, go ahead and simply click on view all right here. And the next thing you want to do is to search for a particular video you want to make private. So I'm going to go ahead and click on visibility right here, select my unlisted, hit on apply, boom. Then from the unlisted video right here, I want to change a video to private. For that, I'm going to use this particular video right here. The next thing I'm going to do right here is to simply click on this pencil icon. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on visibility. Then go ahead and click on private right here. Once you select private, go ahead and click on here to go back. Lastly, go ahead and hit on save right here. And with that, you have changed the visibility of the video to be private, which means only you will have access to view the video on your YouTube channel. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.